Relax your body into sleep. Your body is deserving of a restful night's sleep. Your body has put in a lot of effort for you today. As a result, the goal of today's meditation is to deeply relax your body so that you can effortlessly transition into a calm, restful sleep. Your body steered you in the direction you desired. It consumed the food you ate and digested it. Your heart continued to beat, and your lungs continued to breathe. Perhaps your body encircled the people you care about with your arms, or made it possible for you to jump, run, or sweat in order to feel powerful and healthy, or simply allow you to sit motionless as you may perform work that makes you happy. Maybe your body cried to help you process your feelings, or said the words that you needed to express your desires. Your body is incredible. Now your body requires rest, so that it can re-energize and be fresh and ready to go for you the next day. Relax your body into sleep meditation. To begin, close your eyes and place your body in your most comfortable sleeping position. Take a deep breath in and exhale slowly, and then exhale completely. Allow your body to sink even deeper into your position, working out any kinks and making any required adjustments. Then return to your breath. For a moment, just sit here and take a deep breath. With each inhale, your chest and stomach rise and fall with each exhalation. As you take a deep breath in, rise. As you exhale, you will fall feeling more relaxed with each breath. Pause. Bring your focus to the top of your head and feel it warm and soften. And when you exhale, let go of all the tension you've been holding, perhaps around the temples or on the brow. Feel your head lighter as well. Pause. Now pay attention to your own face, feeling as if your eyelids are getting heavier and your cheeks sag a little. Unclench your jaw, allowing your lower jaw to naturally separate from the top of your mouth. To find the most comfortable posture for your lower jaw, move it from side to side. Also, continue to take in deep breaths. And as you exhale, let go of all the stress you've been holding in your forehead, temples, eyes, jaw, cheeks, mouth, chin. Warm and soften your face. Pause. Pay close attention to your neck and shoulders now. Reduce the distance between your shoulders and your ears. Imagine expanding your neck as you take a deep breath in, taking care of any pressure on your spine. Exhale any tension as you breathe out. Allow yourself to sink a little deeper into your bed. Pause. Now, when your arms lay on your bed, feel them. Feel them soften as your attention is drawn to them. Imagine your arms getting warmer with each breath in. And when you exhale, notice how they become heavier beside you. Inhaling deeply, becoming warmer. Breathing out becomes less difficult. Feel the softening of your fingers and hands, and sink further into your bed with your arms, hands, and fingertips. Pause. Bring your attention to your heart's quiet beating in your chest. Imagine a golden light coming from the center of your heart, warming your entire body. Feel the golden glow enveloping your entire body. And be grateful for its affection, for its charm, its life-sustaining power. And sink a little deeper into your bed with your body. Pause. Soften your stomach now. Allow your breath to calm you down if you're feeling uneasy. It is released as you exhale. Simply relax your stomach to fall deeper into sleep. Pause. As you turn your attention to the warmth on your back, experience it. Imagine a warm light soothing all of your back muscles, allowing them to sink into a more comfortable sleeping position. Pause. Feel the warmth of the energy go down your legs. Incorporate it into your hips, thighs, knees, ankles, feet, and toes. On your bed, feel the heaviness of your legs. Imagine them melting into sleep, 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 melting into slumber. Pause. Your body is incredible, and it has granted you permission to work for you today. Even in the face of pain, discomfort, and obstacles, it is with you, one with you, and you're ready to give in to the rest you so richly deserve. Your body will get the rest it needs to come back to work for you tomorrow. Fill your body with thankfulness as you inhale. Allow it to sink further into slumber as you exhale. Take a deep breath of gratitude. Exhale to fall further into slumber. Rest well, my love.